Welcome. In this video, we will discuss and continue on our Step Finance Dashboard Highlights, and the focus of this one is going to be on how to make use of transaction history. So if you have been using Solana, won't it be so cool for you to have a place to display every of your past transactions, no matter how much they are, how many years you have been using? That will be so interesting, broken down for you in the incoming and outgoing platform used and things like that. If that interests you, then make sure you watch the video to the end. In case you are new, I am Solomon, and on this platform you want to learn about Web3 and opportunities as well. Then this is the channel for you to subscribe and check out our platform as well. Now, before we move on to discuss about the step, let me have some disclosure and disclaimer for you. As a disclosure, we may hold, invest, or receive reward from reviewed projects or their affiliates. Now, we try as much that does not affect making our reviews very helpful. Now, as a disclaimer, review is for education purpose only, does not constitute financial investment advice. So by using or continuing to watch or use any of our content, you agree that we are not liable for any losses. Please always do your own research. Now, back to our main discussion of today's video, which is another video in the series of Step Finance Dashboard Highlights. In the previous one, we discussed about the dashboard, the swap, and now we are discussing about the transaction. You want to see all your past transactions in one place, easily, well organized on Solana Blockchain. So if you want to learn more about Step Finance, in case you are new, we have a full review guide for it on our platform. You see link in the description on Web3 Explained or a.aihipu.com, so you will see it there. Make sure you try to check it out. Once you are on Step the finance platform, you need your wallet for those that are new, but if you are already following the previous series, you already know what you need: your Solana wallet, and we are using SoFair. You can use any other one, a lot of them are accepted. So you go to see your portfolio. Once you click, it will open up. You connect your wallet, and once you connect your wallet, you'll be able to see the dashboard, and you will see something like this. First, something like this that break down your information is so interesting, and one of the reasons why Step Finance is like the front page of Solana. So we have discussed the swap, and the dashboard highlights for today is now the transaction history. So if you see the transaction history, you see you have everything in here. You see it can be as much, and you can decide to view about up to 100 pages at a go. That's also, if you are a very heavy user of Solana blockchain, this is a go-to platform for you that gives you the dates the transaction was done, the transaction ID, the platform. This is showing unknown because I'm using the demo, which you can always try out to have idea here. Try a demo. But if you are using your actual wallet, then it will show you the platform, type of transaction, is it farming yield or all those things, returns and things like that. It will tell you here. Then where the transaction, you can see that these are outgoing. So you can easily scan through and like, okay, these are my outgoing and these are my incoming transaction. You can order them maybe by highest or something like that. You can see filter by coin. You can see it. So if you want to pick some specific coin, you can pick them out. You see, you don't want anyone to show. You just want to see for, I have like, let's say you don't want to see for some, you can just always unmark, then you want to see for it, just for so, and then you apply. You see, it only shows for those that you want to see. It's also good if you just want to use it to see for specific ones. Let me quickly, is much. So depending on those transactions you've done, let me apply. You can see now, then it only shows specifically for those ones I want to see. And you can see here now it's showing the platform that I traded them on. I think that could be network or something. So at the type of reward, you can see them, the incoming. If you want to see for the outgoing, you can configure it as well. So there are lots. See, if you see swap send, platform that came from, thanks ID, then you can change by dates, the oldest, the earliest. So that's it. If this video has helped, make sure you subscribe, tap the notification bell, and do a lot of reviews on different Web3 projects, blockchains, and platforms to educate a lot of people to know about Web3. So make sure you subscribe, share the video, and at the same time, if you have any question, ask in the comments below. Check on our website or follow on Twitter as well for any question to get response as well. So that's it. I will see you.